Hi faithful caregiver. Today I'm in the kitchen and I'm making something that's quick and simple for breakfast. I use just the instant oatmeal. It's maple brown sugar and I get mine at Aldi. It's an organic oatmeal and it's made by Simply Nature, and I've put the hot water in here already and got the oatmeal ready. But in order for it to be pureed, we are going to have to put it in the blender, because you can't just put this on your tongue and swallow it. You're going to have to chew it a little bit. So to get to like a pudding puree, we're going to have to blend it. Another thing to remember is a lot of times your dementia loved one can eat bananas like this that have been just smashed up a little bit, but this is not puree either. It's got to actually go through this blender in order to put it on their tongue and be able to swallow it. So what I did was I would put my oatmeal into the blender, and then put the banana in there with it. And I think I put a little bit too much water in my oatmeal, but that's okay. It's not going to hurt a thing. All right, and then we're going to blend it. And when you blend it, then it's going to be a puree that your dementia loved one is not going to be afraid they're going to get choked on. See how quick, that is really quick and easy. You can just see how quick and easy it is to get that done. And then I'm going to pour it back in here. Now this is puree. There is a difference, and I think you can tell that difference. Again, I've put it in a contrasting bowl so that they can see it when they go to sit down and eat. But this, when you take just a little bit, you don't have to take a lot. Sometimes even we try to put too much food in their mouth at one time, and that's not good either, but just a little bit, and they can swallow it. They don't have to chew it up. So this is pureed. This is a good, healthy breakfast for them and for you also. And even sprinkle some cinnamon on it if you want it to make it even more appealing, or look at it and see some difference in color. Put some cinnamon on top of it, and that would be good too. Thank you for taking care of your dementia loved one. God bless you. Stay true. See you next time. Bye.